YouTube family, back with a video today. Look guys, I just had to zoom in on this. I just want you to take a look at this. What is really going on with StockX? Like, I've been having a lot of issues, it seems like, with them lately. So I put out some wave runners to sell on their platform. They sold. I went to ship them off. Again, I'm aware of the extended time that they're taking for the payouts. So I was okay with that. I went ahead and shipped them off. And then I get an email stating that, hey, your shoes didn't pass the verification process due to signs of wear. I've had these shoes for probably about 6 months in my closet, haven't worn them. So this totally threw me off. See the pictures? I still don't understand. I was thinking that maybe they would have drew some arrows or some circles on the spots that were worn, allegedly. I just don't understand. Like, StockX is making it more challenging for me to deal with them and sell on their platform. Not to mention GOAT. I performed my first sneaker sale with them and was able to get my payout in less than a week. So yes, at this point, StockX is making it extremely difficult to conduct business with them, right? So I don't know what's going on, guys. I just wanted to bring you this review, tell you what this experience was. This is the first time I've actually had this happen. So they stated that they're going to send them back to me and they're not going to charge me a shipping fee to ship them back to me because I was such a good customer. But I'm still not convinced. That doesn't make me feel good about the situation, because even though they stated that the shoes was showing signs of wear, they didn't outline or point out what exactly was worn, and that's what's really throwing me off. I don't understand it. Like, look at the bottom of them. I don't see anything that's worn. Again, the shoes are brand new. So yet again, another StockX tragedy. Guys, if you have any experiences like this, or you've ever had this happen to you, please leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.